So guys, let's install this XAMPP. XAMPP comes with this Apache software, and you can see the Apache friends.org. It comes with MariaDB database and PHP and Perl. So let's go ahead and download this. So I have already downloaded this. So let's run this installer. So it's been so much okay, let's cancel this. Okay, let's install this one. So these are the softwares this XAMPP contains. You can see MySQL server and FTP and mail server, Tomcat, Perl, PHP, MyAdmin, and etc. Click on next, and we don't need this fake send mail. So click next and choose the location, see XAMPP, and choose the language English. Click next and take this one. Click next, and it is going to install the softwares on our Windows computer. So guys, it's been so many months. It almost 1.5 year I have been installed this XAMPP. I just forgot how to install this. There will be some settings. I think I can do it. So let's do it. So alright guys, now it's asking to allow this software to be connected to our local network. Also check these private networks and click on allow access. So alright guys, now it has been installed and it is asking to start the control panel now. So we are going to start the panel now. Let's click on finish. So our XAMPP has been set up. Now we can install any CMS on top of this. So port 443 is in use by VMware host. So 443 we do not care about that. Apache will not start without the configure port free. So this 443 port has been causing an issue. So let's click on this config and httpd.configure. So let's we need to search for the port 443. So let's search for 443. Or maybe this is not the port. Yes, this SSL. So this configuration contains 443. So let's change it to 444. So let's replace 443 with 444. Replace all. So let's save this and close this one. Now let's click on start. So it's running on 80 and 444. So we need to start this MySQL also. Let's start this one now. And allow private networks, click on allow access. Alright, now we can open this. Click on this admin. So now we should open this the admin panel, that is localhost / php myadmin. Now we are going to create the new database. Okay, click on this new and database name, let's say WordPress, so that whenever you came back after so much time, after a long time, you can identify that this database is for storing the WordPress blocks. Let's leave this for default. Let's click on create. So no tables found. So we just do not create any tables now. Let's click on go. So let's do like that. So what we are going to do is I need to say localhost slash. First, we need to install this WordPress. So let's go to the C program files. I think it's x86. So it's in C drive only. Sorry, I thought it's in program files. Now we need to go to this htdocs, and there should be our WordPress. So, so, so let's just search for this WordPress. Alright guys, to install the WordPress we need to download this WordPress. So let's download the zip file WordPress download, and just download this to our Windows computer. I thought it's WordPress has been in default from XAMPP, sorry for that. So let's download to the softwares. So meanwhile, let's go to the XAMPP and see the htdocs. So from here our web server starts. You can create a new folder. Let's say WordPress. Let's call it WordPress. So it's easy to remember. So in this folder we need to copy the contents of this WordPress files. So our download has been completed. Let's extract this one. So let's copy all these files into our WordPress folder. So guys, our copy has been completed. Now let's go to this WordPress. So let's go to the localhost. Let's say /WordPress. Let's type this IP address. So it's port 80, right? Okay. So now it's asking for setup. Check the English and continue. So we need to give the database name, username, password, host. So let's go. So database name WordPress. So this is the WordPress, and username is root. The password is null. The local host and table prefix. If you want to run multiple WordPress installations, so we do not have multiple WordPress installations. I think this is fine. Let's set WP underscore. So for every table, it will be prefixed to the every table you have created. If you created a students table, it will be like WP underscore students, and if you create a blocks, WP underscore blocks. So let's submit this. So let's run the installation. So some information is needed. Site title, let's say tech 69, and username Nikki, and password. So password is this one. It has already generated a unique string. Email, let's say discourage search engine from indexing this site, so they won't search. So install WordPress. So this will install the WordPress on your local computer. So installation has been succeeded. Your chosen pass. Okay, I just forgot the password. Okay, because it's random created, right? Last your password, enter email address. Shit. I should have copied the password